Hey collectors, welcome to the daily episodes of Y Team Hot Wheels. So let's check some new upcomings. Our first car is releasing today on metalcreations.com. This 1993 Ford Explorer Jurassic Park for $25 from Matchbox. A beautiful detailed car with some golden sparkling accent with 6-spoke golden rims. Here's the sneak peek of the cars. A new upcoming cars by Mini GT. A Lincoln Capri, a 1954 in black color. Hashtag 448. Material made in die-cast. Release date December 2022. Roof CTR Anniversary dark blue color. Hashtag 451. Material made in die-cast. Release date December 2022. LB Works Lamborghini Aventador. Color of a car matte silver. Hashtag 449. Material made in die-cast. Release date December 2022. Nissan Fairlady Z version ST 2023 Syrian blue color. RHD. Hashtag 452. Material made in die-cast. Release date December 2022. A Nissan Z Performance 2023 Syrian blue color LHD. Hashtag 453. Material made in die-cast. Release date December 2022. A Hyundai Kona and Performance. Color of a car blue. Material made in die-cast. Release date December 2022. Mini GT presents Pagani Huayra Roadster. Color of a car black with red interior. Material made in die-cast. Release date November 2022. Ford GT. Color of a car hashtag 85 2019 24 hours of Le Mans LM GTE AM Kitting Motorsport. Material made in die-cast. Release date November 2022. BMW M4 GT3. Color of a car hashtag 1 ST Racing 2022 12 hours Mugello winner. Material made in die-cast. Release date November 2022. A Bugatti Chiron Super Sport in beautiful white color. Material made in die-cast. Release date November 2022. A Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2023. Color of a car Accelerate yellow. Material made in die-cast. Release date November 2022. A Bentley Continental GT Speed 2022. Color of a car Anthracite Satin. Material made in die-cast. Release date November 2022. A Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. Color of a car Rosa Dubai with white interior. Material made in diecast. Release date of a car is November 2022. A Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Color of a car Volcano Grey Metallic with golden rims. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. LB Super Silout Nissan S15 Silvia. Color of a car #23. 2021 Formula Drift Japan. Material made in diecast. Release date of a car is October 2022. Porsche 911992 Carrera S. Color of a car Miami Blue. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. A BMW 750 Li X-Drive. Color of a car Black Sapphire. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. LB Silout Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Color of a car Apple Green. Material diecast. Release date October 2022. A Ford GT MK2 in beautiful spoke white rims. Color of car Ford Performance. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. Color of a car yellow with some black effects. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. A Hyundai Elantra N. Color ceramic white. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. Porsche 911992 GT3 Touring. Color of a car Genetian Blue. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. LB Works Ford Mustang. Color of a car Grabber Lime. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. A McLaren Artura. Color of a car Volcano Blue. Material made in diecast. Release date October 2022. Hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you can stay up to date. By the way, I am your host Yash, signing out. See you in next video.